In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can fix the issue of other devices not being able to connect to your iPhone's hotspot. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips like this. But let's get into this. First, open up your settings on your iPhone and tap Personal Hotspot right above Battery and right below Cellular. When you get to this page, make sure that personal hotspot is actually turned on in the first place, and also turn on Maximize Compatibility just to ensure that it'll allow other devices to be able to connect. From here, try connecting your other device to the hotspot by going to its Wi-Fi settings. If it's still not working, go back into your iPhone's hotspot settings and temporarily turn off Allow Others to Join. Now go back to the main page of the settings and then scroll down till you find General, open that up, and then tap About up at the top. Go ahead and select Name way up here, and then change your iPhone's name by adding a number or letter. Just make sure it's different from before. Once you've renamed it, go ahead and go back to your hotspot settings, open it up, and turn back on Allow Others to Join. Now try connecting again on your other device. This often solves the problem. If it still does not connect, make sure you restart both of your devices. To restart your iPhone, press the volume up and then volume down button, and then hold the side button until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo. Turn your devices back on, and hopefully the hotspot connection issue is now resolved. If you have any questions during this process, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.